Man, it's a great time to be in crypto. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Can we continue this rally? That's the big question we want to address in this video. We're going to talk about some different scenarios. While a healthy pullback could be good and it could be in order, there are some other indications that we could just be getting ready for a massive, massive run, especially when it comes to Bitcoin. But we all know what follows after the Bitcoin pump. Some of that money then starts to flow into other altcoins. Ethereum, XRP, Polygon, SHIB, other altcoins start to feel the greatness that is this cryptocurrency market and the greatness that is Bitcoin. So with all that being said, we're going to dive in to all of this in this video. We're going to talk a little bit about the charts. We're also going to talk about a couple different scenarios where we could see this thing rolling. However, before we jump in, guys, real quick, you guys know how passionate I am about crypto. Well, I got a ton of other passions too, and I've created some other channels. I love entrepreneurship and business. I love the stock market. I love to travel. So I've created 3 other channels: a travel channel, a stock channel, and the Grow with Zach channel. That's my entrepreneurship business channel. That one's been out for a little bit. We're growing a little bit nicer over there. Stocks with Zach, no videos yet. Getting some subscribers. I've got some content coming out this week. And the travel channel has a bunch of shorts up. Come over here and check them out. A couple shorts already well over 1,000 views. Pumped about that. I've got a ton of different ideas for this channel as well. Come on over. Follow me as I show you what I'm passionate about, both in crypto and outside of crypto. Very excited to get all 4 of these channels up and rolling. Of course, the crypto channel, this thing obviously has been amazing thanks to all of you, but I wanted to showcase my other passions and things that I really love to do and things that I love to share, and anything that I can do to help people, especially through that constant growth channel, the Grow with Zach channel. Looking forward to it. So come on over, check me out. All my other channels right there at the top of my page here that you're watching here on YouTube. But this is where I want to start, guys. This is the biggie. The biggie. Bitcoin's RSI, extremely overbought right now. So a lot of people would say, well, a pullback is in order then, Zach, right? Maybe. If we look at the lower time frames, like Scott Melker mentions here, including the daily, which is at 8.8, some healthy retracement would make sense. But right now, this Bitcoin price just continues to hover up here near 35,000. And since we had the correction yesterday down to about 33, we have just continued to inch our way back up toward 35,000. And here today, we continue to see this momentum right now with Bitcoin. So what's going to happen? Are we going to get a little retracement? Maybe even just back down to 33? I think it's possible. I do think we could definitely see a retracement, and that would be relatively healthy. Remember, as long as we stay above 31,800, this is bullish right now for Bitcoin. Very bullish. We have to stay above 31.8. Why? That was our former resistance. Now we have to make our former resistance our support or our floor price right now as we sit in Bitcoin. So as long as we're above 31.8, I'm feeling really, really good about this price. Now, what Scott Melker broke down is if we look at the weekly RSI, it's just now entering the overbought region, which is the power zone in a true bull market. In 2020, RSI went overbought on the weekly at around 12,000. Small blue circle down here on the bottom left. Show this bigger. Right here. This is where it went overbought. Price went on to hit 65,000 though. But again, if we have a similar situation when the weekly RSI just enters overbought, this is the power zone in a bull market. If we get some true bullish catalyst, ETF, we could see massive runs. This is where we are right now. We would have endless room to run. We would be looking at 37,000 as somewhat of a resistance zone. 48,000, somewhat of a resistance zone, not very strong resistance. And then, who knows? Look out. That's how crazy this could get here. And listen, if we get a healthy pullback, we're looking at that $25,000 level. I don't think, at least right now, from what we're looking at, I don't think we're going to come down past the $25,000 level. We'd first have to come down and break 31,000, then break another resistance right around 29,000, and then come down to 25,000. We'd have to have some really negative catalysts, I think, in order to come back down there. My hope is that we have a new support at 31.8, and we ramp it up with a couple catalysts here. ETF, followed by the Bitcoin halving, which then we know what happens after the halving. Massive runs. Massive runs. So, we shall see. But hopefully this video finds you well. If you like these short, to the point, impactful videos, make sure you guys subscribe. Smash that like button down there for us as well. And we'll see you in the next one. Peace.